today we will discuss about LangChain and LangGraph. Hello friends, this is Akash and let's start. If you are building AI applications today, you have probably heard about LangChain and LangGraph. A lot of people think that LangGraph is a simple replacement for LangChain. No, it's not. In fact, they both solve different problems. Let's understand the difference. LangChain is primarily a framework for building LLM applications. It gives you components such as prompt templates, model integrations, tool calling, RAG pipelines, output parsers, memory abstractions, and etc. If you are building a chatbot RAG system or an application that follows simple, relatively straightforward workflow, LangChain is often enough. But the things change when you move to the production. Suppose your AI system needs to maintain states across multiple steps, route the request dynamically, coordinate with multiple agents, retry the failed operation, pause for a human approval. At that time, you are no longer building an AI application. You are orchestrating a workflow. And that's exactly where the LangGraph comes in. LangGraph is an orchestration framework built for stateful and long-running AI application. Instead of defining a linear chain, you are defining nodes, edges, states, and transitions. Think about it as a customer support agent. The workflow may look like a user query, intent classification, then technical agent comes in, billing agent comes in, there is a validation step, there is a human approval step, and then is a final response happening. This isn't chain anymore, it is a graph, and that's why LangGraph exists. The biggest advantages of the LangGraph are stateful execution, multi-agent coordination, conditional routing, checkpointing, recovery in the human loop workflows. So these capabilities makes it more suitable for production grade agent systems. So which one should you use? Use LangChain when you are building AI capabilities. Use LangGraph when you are orchestrating AI workflows. And in many real world systems, you actually use both. LangChain provides the building blocks, but LangGraph manages how these building blocks interact with each other. And that's the real difference. So LangChain helps you to build AI application and LangGraph help you to run AI systems in the production.